Hi, I'm going to talk about how most people kill babies daily. And I'm not talking about baby back ribs. I'm talking about the dairy and egg industries. First, eggs are probably one of the cruelest industries. As you can see, at the bottom, the females live in tiny cages the size of a file drawer. And it takes over a day per egg living like that. And nearly all eggs come from factory farms. Don't believe the lies. Even Whole Foods suppliers had people do undercover investigations and have found horrible treatment. So unless if you see it with your own eyes, assume the worst. It's a business and they do lie often. Look at all the TV ads showing Red Barn, Happy Family Farms. Nearly all bird products especially come from factory farms. Look up factory farm videos for many of the largest suppliers in America. Now the females have lifelong suffering in tiny battery cages, the size of a file drawer, until used up. Then they're sent to slaughter. The males have it actually better, in my opinion. They're ground up alive shortly after birth. They are sorted, and as you hear, they're debeaking them, but they're sorted, and if they're a male, they get ground up or thrown in trash bags and suffocated alive, as you see here, and here, in mercerators that grind them up alive. That's what happens to the baby male chicks in the egg industry, because they won't lay eggs and they don't grow quick enough, big enough for cooked flesh. They're not the type for meat. So the female's lifelong suffering, the male baby chicks ground up alive. This is the egg industry for you. And nearly all eggs come from such situations. Next, the dairy industry. So, mothers make milk for their babies from their mammary glands. And they produce it when they're pregnant, after they give birth. And it's for their babies, not humans. We steal it after we actually force breed the females repeatedly to keep them pregnant so they keep making milk. And we take the baby males especially and put them in cruel veal crates, and they're killed for veal. You might see them at some Italian restaurants, veal. It's a delicacy, a little expensive. But they torture them, feed them an anemic diet, so it has some certain tender type taste to it. And we kill them, the baby calves, for veal, so we can steal the bodily fluids. Stop breastfeeding. If it's not your mom, it's not your milk, as my shirt says. Stop sucking. Get off the udder. And stop killing babies. There's vegan alternatives. Almond milk, soy milk, coconut milk, hemp milk, flax milk for your omega-3s so you don't need fish. And many other alternatives, as well as diet cheese, vegan cheese, dairy and casein free. There's vegan yogurts, there's vegan butters, there's nice cream, not pus cream or acne cream. So again, not your mom, not your milk, stop sucking. There's bodybuilders who are vegan, many pro athletes from NFL, UFC, NBA, natural bodybuilders, Olympians. Look up veganbodybuilding.com. So stop buying the myths. If you want a complete protein, try quinoa, peanut butter, hummus. Protein is not an issue. No one ever dies of protein deficiency, especially in America. We die of heart disease from too many animal products and animal cholesterols. So, give up the dead animals and stop killing babies. I'm not just talking about baby back ribs, but baby birds, chicks, for the egg industry, the dairy industry, and stop stealing. For a registered dietitian, veganhealth.org, pcrm.org for doctors. So again, stop sucking, go vegan. Thank you. Look up a factory farm video like meatvideo.com. Thank you.